Hello, and welcome to this segment of Preparing for Success on the ACT Math Exam with Roger Melton. Be sure to download and print the accompanying handout for this podcast. Enjoy.
This podcast is entitled Statistics Mean. By definition, the mean, sometimes called the average, of a set of numbers is the sum of the numbers divided by how many numbers are in the set. Examples from past ACT tests will illustrate this fact. In this problem, Anton went to Mexico during summer vacation with his Spanish class. He recorded the number of pesos he spent each day in a table as shown below. What was the mean number of pesos he spent per day? You can see for each of the 5 days the number of pesos appear in the second row. The mean can be found by adding the number of pesos for each of the 5 days and dividing by the number of those pesos, 5. The sum becomes 1,000 to be divided by 5, and the average is 200 pesos. Choose H. The average of 6 numbers is 4.5. If each of the numbers is decreased by 4, what is the average of the 6 new numbers? 6 numbers whose average is 4.5 are the following: 4.5, 6 times. Reducing each number by 4 yields a set of 6 new numbers, each of whose value is 1/2. It is easy to see the average of the latter set is 1/2. Choose B. What is the average of 3/8 and 65 thousandths? The average is the sum of the two numbers divided by 2. Because 3/8 cannot be added to a decimal number, the 3/8 is converted to the equivalent decimal 375 thousandths, or 0.375. The sum of these two decimal numbers becomes 0.440. When divided by 2 becomes 0.22. Choose C. The average of a set of 5 integers is 16. When a 6th number is included in the set, the average of the set increases to 18. What is the 6th number? Let the 6th number be n. The average becomes 5/16 plus the new number divided by the total number of numbers, 6. And this has to be equal to 18. Multiply both sides by 6, and 80 plus n becomes 108, and n becomes 28. Choose K.
Thanks for listening. We hope you found this podcast segment helpful in preparing you for the ACT. Please continue to the next podcast.